In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned user of Zoho's suite of products or just starting out, getting access to your account is the first step toward managing your financial data effectively. So, let's dive into the process step by step and make sure you're all set up to access your account smoothly. First, let's head over to the Zoho Books website. Open up your preferred web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and type in the URL for the Zoho Books homepage. Once the page has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. This is where your journey toward accessing your account begins. Click on that button, and it will redirect you to the login page. Now, on the login page, you'll see a field where you need to input your registered email address or mobile number. This should be the same one you used when you initially set up your Zoho Books account. Taking a moment here to remember your registration details can save you time and hassle in the long run. Once you've carefully entered either the email or mobile number that's linked to your account, it's time to enter your password. If for some reason you have forgotten your password, or if you prefer an alternative sign-in method, Zoho Books offers the option to receive a one-time password, commonly known as an OTP. This option is incredibly useful for maintaining security while offering an alternative path to access your account. If you choose this method, simply click on the option to receive an OTP and follow the prompts to get the code delivered to your registered email or phone. Enter the OTP as soon as you receive it, as these are time-sensitive for security purposes. Regardless of the method you choose, whether using your password or the OTP, make sure you've entered everything correctly. Once you're confident, click the button to proceed. If all is correct, you should now be logged into your Zoho Books account, ready to start managing your business finances, accessing invoices, tracking expenses, or whatever tasks you need to accomplish today. And there you have it. Signing into Zoho Books is as simple as following these straightforward steps. Now that you're in, you can navigate through your dashboard and get started on optimizing your financial operations. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to keep an eye out for more tutorials to help you make the most out of Zoho Books and other software tools. Thanks for joining, and have a great day managing your finances with confidence.